Everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the Power Platform pipeline stages. Stages means how to deploy the solution from dev to prod, and this solution is a managed solution. Okay, so let's start.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the pipelines, power as pipeline stages. So I have a diagram, I have a document. So we will follow the same documents to configure the pipeline. So the starting point is first we need to uh, copy the environment ID. So we will copy this environment ID in the next step. First, we need to check the pipeline is installed or not. So I need to check here. Uh, Go to resources, dynamically drive apps, and you need to verify the pipeline is installed. So PIP pipeline. This one is a pipeline, and this one is already installed. No, it's not installed. So I need to install in the uh, UAT environment. This one is a UAT and this one is a prod. So I'm selecting a UAT environment and then agree. So once you install this pipeline, so this one is a first step of to configure the pipeline in your UAT. So basically the step is if you want to move this solution or customization from your UAT dev to production, so you need to install this. The second step is you need to, once you install the pipeline, so uh, the app will be installed and you need to select the apps. Okay, so it's installing in progress, but we can check if the app is installed or not. So I'm selecting the app. You can open any one app from here. So I'm opening, just like I need to check this sales up. Well, sales of, yeah, this one is the sales of app. So I'm just opening the sales of app for some checking the verification for apps. So install or not. It's opening. And meantime, you can check the app install pipeline. Yeah, it's installing in progress. So once the installation is done, so the app and a model driven app will be installed deployment pipeline configuration. So let's check. Both are in progress. It's installing and crash. Maybe refresh. Yeah, you can see this installed. And if I open here and I need to check the pipeline, where is the pipeline deployment tools? Yeah, this one is a deployment pipeline configuration. Okay, so you need to select the deployment pipeline configuration and select means open the configuration. And the next step is this one is a model driven app. And you can see the pipeline steps, environment, pipelines, and history. So if I go here for environment, so I okay, so this one is already configured. Okay, so basically this one is a CRM prod environment and this one is a UAT environment. Okay, so I'm showing you the steps means you need to select the environment name and environment type. Environment type is deployment and development environment. We need to add an environment ID. So how to copy the environment ID? Basically, you need to go here in the environment and there is two environments. multiple environment. First one is a UAT. So if you open this one is a environment ID. Okay. So if I go here and you can see this environment ID is same. So once you add environments, the validation is success. Okay. And the same things you need to provide for the broad environment. This one is one thing. This one is a development environment, and this one is a target environment. So you need to select the target environment. You need to add a name of this environment, environment type, environment ID, success. So once you done this activity, so if I go here for documents, with the pipelines, you need to create a new, add an environment ID, and once you add the environment ID in the validation, first you can you can copy this environment ID from the development. Otherwise, you can copy from the URL both. And the validation status is linked and pipeline. So if I go here for the pipeline, you can see standard development pipeline, move solution from UAT to prod. So this one is the environment configuration things, and this one is the pipeline. So you need to add a pipeline name and bills description, solution from UAT to prod, and the link account is CRM UAT environment. Okay, and the validation is, and the deployment stage means deploy UAT to deploy prod. Okay, so if I go here for checking this pipeline, the same thing, create a link environment at all environments means you need to create, suppose if you done the environment, you need to go here for pipeline, then create a new pipeline and add some description and the name of the pipelines. And here there is an option for add existing deployment. So you need to select this one is a target environment, UAT development environment is the target environment. So you need to select here, and the same thing you need to select at the deployment stage. Okay, so once you're done, so it means your pipeline is configured, and yeah, this one is the steps, pipeline stages. So this one is already configured. So I just show you the steps. Once you done this pipeline stage, so you need to go here for solution. Suppose I'm the UAT environment, and if I open any this one, if I open this solution from here, and here you can see this one is a pipeline options icon. If I click here the pipeline, so you can see this one, this pipeline is standard development pipeline. The same things, if I click here for, you can see this one is a standard deployment pipeline. So you can create a multiple pipeline, means UAT to prod, dev to prod, and the same thing. So currently this one is a pipeline, and you can select a multiple pipeline if you have. So otherwise, you can see this run history and you can see the details. And once you, this one is the solution version. Once you want to migrate this solution, so you need to click to deploy here. Once you deploy here, this take time, and the solution will be moved from tab to prod. Yes. So I will share you these documents as well and the video descriptions. Thank you.